Hello friends, welcome to the show once again. Well, today I am going to explain you how exactly to do a simple onion curry with a tomato. Okay, so let us look into the ingredients which are required for this curry. Ingredients required for the simple onion curry with a tomato. Sufficient mustard seeds and cumin seeds, 3 green chilli, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, sufficient oil, sufficient curry leaves, 2 full cups of onions, sufficient salt, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tomato, 2 spoons of red chili powder and sufficient coriander leaves. Now let us learn how exactly to do a simple onion curry with a tomato. So friends, initially heat the pan. Well, once pan becomes hot, now try to add the oil. Okay, put the stove in the high flame and just wait for the oil to be heated. So once the oil becomes hot, put the stove in the low flame and try to add the mustard seeds and cumin seeds. Okay, and try to allow them to pop up. Okay, well, once they are popped up nicely, now try to add the curry leaves, then green chili. Try to mix it properly. Okay, so that oil is distributed evenly. Now try to fry them or try to allow it for at least 1 or 2 minutes so that the green chili changes into the brown color. Okay, so allow it for 1 or 2 minutes. So after completion of 1 or 2 minutes, once the green chili changes into the brown color, now try to add the ginger garlic paste and also the turmeric powder. Okay, and try to mix it properly once again so that the paste is evenly distributed nicely in the oil. See. Okay, now just allow it for 1 more minute. So after completion of 1 minute, now try to add the onions. Okay, try to add the onions, which is of 2 cups. Okay, now try to mix it properly so that the oil is evenly distributed with the onions. Onions should become oily. Let's see. Okay, every ingredient present in the pan should be nicely integrated with each other or should be mixed properly with each other. Okay, so once again try to allow it for at least for 5 to 6 minutes. So in between, once again try to mix it properly. And allow for the remaining time. So after completion of 5 or 6 minutes, now try to mix it properly once again and make sure that once the onions are nicely fried, now try to add the tomatoes. Okay, and also the sufficient salt. Now try to mix it properly. Okay, so that the tomato becomes oily. So once again allow it for 5 to 6 minutes so that the tomato becomes softer. Okay, well, in between once again try to mix it properly. Okay, mix it properly in this way. So try to allow it for the remaining time which was said earlier. So after completion of 5 or 6 minutes, now try to add the red chili powder. Okay, make sure that your onions and tomatoes should become soft before you add the red chili powder. Okay, try to mix it properly once again. The red chili powder has to be distributed evenly. Should get in contact with each other nicely. You can see how nicely it is done. It's a simple onion curry with tomato, okay, which is absolutely good for the chapatis and rotis. Okay, so once again try to allow it for the final 2 or 3 minutes. Okay, well, in between you can add the water for the purpose of gravy. Okay, some water, not more, and try to mix it slowly. You can see how nicely it is getting into the shape. Okay, with some gravy, the onion curry with tomato and also with some gravy. Okay, add some more water, mix it properly. Okay, just try to allow it for the remaining time in low flame. So after completion of 3 or 4 minutes, you can see the oil which is right on the top layer of the curry. That means you are done with the curry. I mean, which is the best indicator that you are in the final stages of the curry or you are done with the curry. Okay, so try to mix it properly once again. Now try to add the coriander leaves. Okay, mix it properly. You can see how nicely the oil is formed right on the top layer of the curry. Okay, that means you are in the final stage. Okay, see how nicely everything has become soft. So allow it for the final 1 minute or the half minute. Okay, so friends, after completion of 1 minute, you can see the hot and delicious simple onion curry with tomato is absolutely ready. Okay, so turn off the stove and take the curry into the bowl very slowly. Okay, so friends, here is the hot and delicious simple onion curry with a tomato is absolutely ready. So hope you have enjoyed this video and understood how exactly to do this simple curry. So meet you in the next video. Right now, goodbye.